Alright, so we get us a 2012 Nissan Juke, and we're going to try to replace this plastic fender trim that goes right here. Some of these clips are different, and up here they just kind of snap on. So, you know, for about $39, this is what I end up getting. It's an aftermarket piece, and you can see they got little square pieces here. I'm not sure how that's going to go in there. Then up here you just have, it's kind of clipped in. It kind of goes there. So we're going to see if we can make this work. And I do have a packet of fender clips, extra ones I just bought for like, I don't think about $8. Alright, so here are these two packs that I bought. I think there's 20 of them in there. It wasn't very much, less than $20, maybe 15, I don't remember, but it wasn't a whole lot. So now we just got to figure out where these go here. Alright, well, you can see the gray little guys go in here, so I need one here. And I don't know if I need one here. I may have to pull this one out to see what's behind here, but I don't see anything, so this is kind of weird. This one's missing too, so it may be the same thing, but these little yellow things actually go in here, on here, and they actually kind of clip in. Alright, so in a nutshell, I did pop this one off here. It is a little square piece that goes in here. You see that this is what's left of it. Got one here, and one here. So these three are okay. So these just clip in. These two just push in here because these are okay. They're not busted. And up here we just have clips that are built in here. Then that's how that should go on. So I think we're going to be okay, but I wasn't sure about this here. I don't know why they just couldn't make one thing around here the same. But anyway, I'll probably get 4 views. But anyway, if you have to replace your trim on your Juke or anything, at least you got some idea. And if you have some of these missing or something, you know, I always like to have some of these extra ones. You never know what you're going to run into. So really, at this point, all I have to do is kind of set this up here and take it off. Now, if you ever have to take this off and take the fender off, you know, well, good luck. You're probably going to bust these. There's probably a method to pulling these off here or something. You probably got to slide this at an angle or something to get it kind of come off here. Probably have to pull the front of it off, then kind of grab it and maybe move it this way a little bit. I don't know, to get these to slide out, but good luck. You're probably going to break most of that. So let me set the camera up here and you can watch me put this on. Alright, so here goes nothing. Bottom, like this. I should snap in like that. That should snap in like that. That should go like that. Okay. Let's see. I'll get this through here, here, and here, and hopefully in here. Alright, well, it's all in, except right here. Why won't you go in? You can see the yellow there, but it's not. This one went in here on the bottom. This yellow one here went in, but this one didn't. So let me play around with this. Maybe we can get that in a little bit better. But everything else is in. It looks pretty good. So let me work with this. Alright guys, boy, you wouldn't think one little clip would be such a problem. Alright, but we got it back on. I had to take these two back off very carefully, put it back on the trim, push everything back on. I have a button here I got to put back in. I've got one in there that holds that there, and one right here. And I think we're good. Now the OEM ones, I'm trying to say, they actually have a tab here that goes up in here. But mine's broke off, don't worry about it, right about here. But it looks like it's going to be okay. It looks a lot better than it did before, and that should stay on there this time. But I will finish that there, put a piece there and a piece there. Hopefully, you know, make it work out. So just want to do a quick video, show you guys, you know, you can put a lot of this trim on there if you have to, but Looks exactly pretty much like the front on this side. Yep. So that is that. All right, so there you go. Thanks for watching, guys, and until my next video, I'll talk to you later.